for example, Larry Page. After entering his birth data, his personal gifts profile is generated. It's like a Facebook page of his natural gifts. We have an overview, a rough explanation, his selected gifts, a personal gallery, ideally a book and movie recommender based on his gifts, and a similar people section. Now on this page, you can see all his potential gifts laid out in different categories. If any of them resonates, simply click, "Yep, it's me," and it'll be added to selected gifts. Or you can click on more examples to see examples of people with similar traits. His directness trait is very prominent. Obviously, he is a tech pioneer. Google's first server was built with Legos. Primary colors are used for Google's logo. Doodling for Google Doodle. He pushed for simplicity on Google's search page so it can load faster. He favors childish designs like the Waymo design. Another trait is stimulus. People with this trait love forming dynamic duo relationships, like the one between him and Sergey Brin. He also loves space and teleportation. He spoke at TED about Google's plan to connect the world through a worldwide mesh of balloons. The trait freedom. He enjoys skiing and cycling. He wanted to build a hyperloop for cyclists between Mountain View and San Francisco. His interests in flying machines, science fiction, can be seen in his projects such as Kitty Hawk. The detachment trait. Public inventions. People with this trait loves to invent solutions for the common good. He is a scientist, loves scientific revolutions, and value intelligence. His aloof trait explains his lack of public appearances. This page shows an overview of the selected gifts. Users can add evidence to support their gifts, which will be added in the verified section. Here we can see the evidences added to some of the selected traits. In this section, we have a similarity calculation for the people added in the database. Interestingly, one of the most similar to him is Erwin Komenda, the Austrian car designer, who designed the classic Volkswagen. See the similarity? In this Sell Your Gifts page, the traits you've selected will be displayed like Lego blocks on the left side. You can drag and drop them into the empty spaces on the right, like Tech Pioneer plus Speed plus Doodling plus Everything Connected plus Public Invention led to the creation of Google Search. Here, he can offer his services in this market section. In the marketplace of this website, users can offer their services based on their natural gifts. In the trait sensitive, his investment style is very comprehensive.